For over 60 years, NEXCO-Central, a prominent highway operator based in Japan, has provided skillful construction, operation, and repair service for roadways. Today, we're proud to incorporate decades of practical experience and technical expertise to serve the international road industry. Without a comprehensive and methodical system in place, conventional roadway management has relied heavily on manual processes. This reduces efficiency, complicates decision-making, and drives up costs. Our innovative approach to roadway management is built on one simple goal: to always provide cost-effective and cutting-edge solutions to address universal roadway management problems. We would like to introduce 3 solutions which demonstrate this philosophy in practice. With thorough and accurate road condition analysis, we address some of the most pressing issues in roadway management: aging infrastructure, increasing maintenance costs, and lack of strategic budget allocation. NEXCO provides tools to predict pavement performance and deterioration, simulate budget needs, and create prioritized maintenance plans. That means proactive rather than reactive maintenance, which optimizes life cycle costs. Another common problem is road condition monitoring. Often, information about a road's condition is incomplete or outdated. That makes it difficult to make informed decisions about what actions to take and when. NEXCO makes it simple to collect images directly from maintenance vehicles. The captured information can easily be uploaded, shared, and indexed in our geographic information system. This provides critical real-time data for informed decision-making. It also allows for comparisons over time to understand performance and predict maintenance needs. We also provide key visibility into maintenance vehicles and work operations. Many agencies today are trying to function without real-time tracking of maintenance vehicles. And that means you're in the dark about what is being done and where. NEXCO offers an automatic vehicle location system to accurately pinpoint a vehicle's location at any time. You can also track the overall movements of your fleet's vehicles in a time-stamped working diagram. Real-time visualization and working diagrams give you visibility into the entire operation, so you can make strategic decisions. At NEXCO, our mission is to serve the road industry with the latest technologies, highest integrity, and greatest efficiency. We're doing that by creating innovative, targeted solutions that utilize artificial intelligence, advanced data analytics, and a robust geographical information system. For more information, you can send an email or visit us online.